Hello, welcome to Cooking with Coach Rob. We got some special guests tonight. We got Charlene on the right. Say hello.
Hi.
And we got Shannon.
Hi.
And we're going to make the butter chicken poutine tonight. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and please like and subscribe. Thanks. So we got our ingredients here. We got the chicken breasts. We got the butter chicken sauce that we're going to heat up. We got a different brand this time from the other episode. And we got some straight cut fries. And how we're going to cook the chicken is we're going to cook it in a steamer over here. We're going to cook the chicken in a steamer pot, and we already got our saucepan ready to heat up the butter chicken sauce. And we're going to use the active air fryer again, which is over here, for the French fries. Okay, as you can see, viewers, we have our steamer on now. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our chicken breasts in the steam pot, right? Right, but first we better spray the bottom of it just a little bit with this non-stick spray so it doesn't stick. And I'm sure we maybe didn't need to do that, but it's just better to have it all in there, right? We're going to put that in there, right? Then that's going to take several minutes to cook because it is chicken. It's got to be cooked to the proper temperature, right? And then we're going to take, in the next scene, we're going to take our butter chicken sauce. And we're going to get it going in this side over here just to get it going. Then we're going to get our fries on too. So we got a few steps to do. Okay, we've got our active air fryer all loaded up with the fries, and it's the same as in the other episodes. It's the Tefal active air original, and we're going to get those cooking. And we got our breasts on, and we're going to get the sauce going too. Hi, as we continue on to the next step, we're going to get our butter chicken sauce, and we're going to put it in the pan, right? And we might add some cream to it after, like we're just going to get all this in here, right? And that's going to be delicious. Okay, as you can see, we got the sauce in the pan now, and this is pretty good. You know what? I'm not going to add any cream to that until I'm absolutely sure I need to. Right? We got our fries cooking over here. We got our chicken cooking here, and it's going to be a bit for that. So it's coming along nicely. As you can see in the video there, I did turn them over and they're coming along good. Right, and we got a temp, it's got to be at least 165, 170 Fahrenheit. And the shout out today, the Jared Bain shout out is going to Charlene, one of our fans that we all go to the Royals games with Shannon and Wille, so we like to say hello to Charlene. And remember, if you want to be featured in the shout out in a future episode, send me an email at the email that's on the screen now. Or if you want me to wear a hat in a future episode, once again, contact me via email and we'll send you the instructions on how you can take part that way. Okay, just a quick tidbit here when it's all cooking. You can see on the back, you've probably seen in other episodes, why I've got marked rear here and over here rear. Obviously that's the rear burner and this one's the front burner. It's just so I'm 100% sure that I have it on the right burner, because you know we've all in our lives have turned the wrong burner on in the past. And remember, if you like this video, please click the like button that's on the video, and subscribe and send it to all your friends that may be interested. If you know of any playlists on YouTube you want to add this to, or any of my videos that involve the cooking, please feel free to do so. And Shannon? Okay, right now as we're going to temp the chicken, it's probably not done yet, but it's got to be at least 165, 170 like, and we're at 98, we're at 100, it's going up, but it's not, it's as you can see, it's not quite hot yet. But what we might do is we're going to dice it up anyway for butter chicken, so in a couple minutes we might decide to do that instead of make it cook faster. As you can see, the fries are coming along nicely once again. In fact, last night off camera I made myself up some fries, a quick burger, instead of going to McDonald's, and the fries tasted fantastic. So now what we're going to do is we're going to slice our chicken breast up, right? Oh, look at that, guys. Right, and we're still going to make sure that it's temp. We're going to put it back in the thing, right? So we'll have it all like ready, like ready for you to continue on doing this, and we'll catch you in a sec. Okay, we've got all our chicken all diced up now, right? Some pieces could be a bit smaller, but it's all right for our first effort. What we're going to do now is we are going to put it back in the steamer in just for a few minutes, just to make sure it's all done. If I can find my lid here, it's right here. Right, so we're going to put that back in just for a couple minutes. We got all this ready here, right, and we got our bowl almost ready here because the fries are done, as we'll show you in a sec here. We got our French fries, are all nice golden crispy, and we got our sauce over here. So what we got to do is we got to add our sauce in with the chicken. Okay, as you can see, we got our sauce here. We got our sauce here, and we're gonna put our nice chicken in with the sauce, right? So we're gonna combine that into there, right? And we're gonna mix all that in, right, to make sure it's the butter chicken sauce with the chicken. And we're going to pour that over our French fries, right? And Shannon's already given me the bowl for the fries, right? And they're over here. We're going to unplug that. Just kidding. Oh, and this is going to be super hot, remember? Oh, yeah. And those are fries there. So the fries are ready. I don't know if you can see that in the camera.
There.
So you can see the fries. There we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take another quick pause, then we'll be back plating it up. As you can see, we got our 3 plates out here. As you can see, we got the plates ready for the fries. I just got to top it off with the butter chicken, and we'll be away to the races. Okay. As you can see, we have our meal prepared, the butter chicken poutine. So we're going to enjoy our meal. We're going to watch the Canucks game. Then I'll have a final few words in the studio after that. Okay, it's time to wrap up this episode of Cooking with Coach Rob. We did the butter chicken tonight. We had a great evening. We had special guest Charlene. Charlene, who goes to all the Victoria Royals games, came over, and Shannon, as always. And we all liked the chicken, and we had some cherry pie after. Next time we do the butter chicken, though, in that format, I'm gonna dice it up, the chicken even smaller, but it was still very tasty. Maybe the sauce should have been a little bit thinner. It was adding some cream. And the Vancouver Canucks played a great game in Vancouver against the Edmonton Oilers, but unfortunately, this day, December 1st, it was not their day. They lost 3-2. So we hope to see you soon. We'll be doing more videos in the next coming days and weeks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. And remember, pass the links on to your friends if you like to. Thanks.